When the sun is blinding, putting down your visor only blocks your view. That can be dangerous. Hi, I'm Hunter Ellis, and this is the Battle Visor. When I was flying FA-18, sun protection for perfect vision was critical for mission success. That's why I trust Battle Visor to block the harsh glaring sun and keep me safe on the road. Just pull it down to see the entire picture in crystal clear, high definition. From dawn till dusk, the sun won't distract you from focusing on what's most important, the safety of you and others. The secret, Battle Visor uses atomic clarification technology that blocks blue rays and cuts harsh glare so you can safely see everything on the road ahead. We put Battle Visor to the test with real people, not actors.
This is like night and day. I can see so clearly.
I can't believe how well this cuts the glare. It's amazing.
I love it.
Things you couldn't see are now suddenly visible. That can be the difference between life and death. Battle Visor works on all vehicles, big or small, and installs in a second. No tools, no fuss. Just perfect vision every time you hit the road. Call now and get the Battle Visor for just $14.99. Battle Visor's made right here in the USA, and it's built tough to last for years, guaranteed or your money back. But wait, order now, and we'll also include our Sun Battle Blocker. Just snap it on and slide it over the sun to combat direct sun glare. Yours absolutely free. Order right now, and we'll double the offer to 2 absolutely free. No fees, 100% positively free. That's 1 for you and 1 for your passenger. So call or click now to get 2 Battle Visors and 2 Sun Battle Blockers, all for just $14.99. Order now.